Hey there guys, Matt here again. I'm over here at Universal's Islands of Adventure theme park, and today we're taking a look at the new Skull Island Reign of Kong attraction coming this summer to Islands of Adventure. This has been one of the fastest attractions I've probably ever seen built. This was, I want to say, maybe about a year and a half ago, and all of this is done. It looks absolutely fantastic. The video here is not going to do it justice. You're going to have to try and come out this summer to Islands of Adventure and see this amazing attraction. It's obviously not open yet, and we still have no full details of what is going on inside, but we know that it's going to be some type of a safari vehicle that you will be boarding right here. And as you can see, that is the entrance for Kong right there. But the blue building right there, that is going to be the loading area for your safari vehicle. And when I say safari vehicle, think back to Kilimanjaro Safaris over at Animal Kingdom, and that seems to be the kind of vehicles that we're going to be getting here. But they will load right there, as I said. They're going to come out here, and this is where, from what I've heard, where you're going to be meeting the island natives, right around here, and then they will bring you into the massive archway right there. And it looks like they're going to have some kind of doorway. That might be it right there. And those are going to swing open, and you will proceed into the chamber, I guess is what they're going to be trying to call it. And you're going to see King Kong. We really have no idea what's really taking place inside this part here, but you can bet it's going to be fantastic. It sounds amazing what they're doing with this attraction. I am extremely excited to be riding this. And by the look of this, this could be ready in just a couple of months. Surprisingly enough, it should be ready very, very, very soon. And you can bet we are going to be there to bring you full coverage of Skull Island Reign of Kong when it opens this summer at Universal's Islands of Adventure. Now, how can you follow along? Be sure to subscribe here on YouTube, Darth Vader 92. Like us on Facebook at facebook.com/Darth Vader 92 Productions, as well as follow us on Twitter at twitter.com/Darth Vader 92. But the biggest thing of all that you can do is subscribe. And please subscribe. Share to everyone that this is the channel that you're going to want to see all this amazing stuff once this opens. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll be back with you again next time for another construction update here at Universal, as well as SeaWorld, and of course the Walt Disney World Resort. Take care guys, and have a magical day.